today, road trip edition, heading to Buffalo and the Tifft Nature Preserve. A group of us are gonna go up and check it out, so thought I would bring you with me. Yet. I know one person has, so we'll go check it out. It's a beautiful day, high 70s, low 80s, end of September. I'll take it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed a little look at Tifft Nature Preserve today in Buffalo, New York. If you're ever looking for a relaxing day, being out in nature, just kind of meandering around some really nice, pretty accessible trails. They're pretty wide, all mowed. There's no elevation change at all. Most of it is grass. Some of it, there's some boardwalk that you saw, just a little bit that kind of goes over the marsh. So there's a lot of cool stuff. Bring your camera, bring your binoculars, and just meander and hang out. It was a nice day. We all really enjoyed it. So I hope you did too. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you next time. Bye.